Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be reviewing a Vettsy Polygel kit. They reached out to me and sent me a kit for review, so I received that in the mail and that's what we're going to be doing. Alright, so this is exactly how it comes in the mail, and looks like my box was handled not so gently, but that's okay, it's a box. As long as the stuff on the inside is okay, then it doesn't really matter what the box on the outside looks like. So as we open the box, this is how it comes. The instruction booklet is the first thing we're going to see, along with the pretty kind of pink aesthetic on the packaging. Gives you all your instructions that you need, any tips, and if you need any help, they give you some QR codes. Look at this bubble wrap, it's so cute. It's got hearts. I've never seen bubble wrap with hearts. I like that, that's cute. Okay, so what we have in the box is here, all our good stuff. We have some tweezers. Tweezers are helpful, of course. We have a clip. I like the clips. Not everybody uses the clips, but I like them because, you know, sometimes you can't hold on the tip, and I mean, that's pretty strong, so I like those. And then we have these little crystals. Can always use more crystals, doesn't matter how many you have, you can always use more. You have the slip solution, and then we also have the top coat and the base coat. Those are important, you have to have those. Then we have the paper forms. I'm not sure how many is in there, but it looks like a bunch. Oh, look at this kind of glitter package. My screen looks a little frosty. Okay, there we go. So, there, I had to clean it. Those are like little foils, so it's like a rose gold, and that's kind of like, I don't even know, It's a cool looking glitter thing. Never had those before. Should try to use those soon. And of course these 6 glitters, and who doesn't need those colors? Look at how amazing those are. Oh man, those are so pretty. I'm so glad I got those. Then of course we have the dual-ended brush with the spatula on one end and the brush on the other side. Next we have some stickers, some butterflies. Those are all kind of pretty. It's kind of artsy. Little statues in there too. Then we have some cheetah print nails. Those are kind of cute. Cheetah print is always in. Some white flowers. I like those. I don't have any flower stickers. Oh, and it's the same thing but in black. So that's cute. I think I'm going to use that white one. Then they give you some dual forms. And some nail tips. Nail tips are always helpful. Let's take a look at those. They do look kind of short, but once I use them, they're not short. So they're standard little coffin nail tips. And we have some crystals, some AB, and some clear. It's always a good amount, size order. We like that. And then some cuticle revitalizer oil, cherry oil. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Look at the stuff in it. Peach extract, mangoes. Oh, I hope that smells good. So their kit is on sale on their website, 24% off as a matter of fact. And if you use the referral link in the description box, you can receive an additional 10% off that order. So let's go ahead and get into these swatches. And first up, I have my card there with all of the numbers that were listed on the tube so we can see what we have. So we have a white. Wasn't sure. This was a pink. So yep, it was definitely pink. I'm assuming that one is going to be a clear, and voila, it is a clear. This one looks pretty on the outside, so it is glitter, and it's like a silver blue kind of glitter. Now the firefly is like a fairy glitter, super pretty, iridescent. Flamingo, kind of a peachy pink. There is a peach tea, which is more peach. And then we have hot cocoa, which is a more brown color, so kind of covered the skin tones just right there in all of those colors. Look at that. Look at the shimmer. Those are so pretty. And this is after they've been cured. All right, so let's get into the set. So this set is going to be kind of the decoration. Wiping with the slip solution and a cleanser off the French set that I already have on. And then I'm going to use the Firefly. And what I have noticed with the glitter polygels is they are more loose than other glitter polygels. So it's kind of perfect as like a top coat. Like if you were to use a builder gel and you need to brush on a builder gel, is basically the same consistency. So it's perfect for adding a little bit more strength but no bulk, because it literally self levels itself, unlike most polygels. So it is more like a builder gel in a tube. Definitely different than most of the glitter polygels. So I'm using this as basically a glitter top coat, and it does sparkle and shimmer. It is beautiful. I actually love this polygel from this tube. If they sold it separately, I would buy more of it because I love the consistency. It's perfect and it shimmers and is pretty. And yeah, I recommend this polygel for sure. So once I am done adding this as the top coat to all the nails and letting it, settle out, I will cure for 60 seconds and then cleanse the top layer of all of the nails, because it does leave a sticky residue, as most polygels do. And I'm going to adhere my crystals with top coat because that's what I usually use, and they stay just fine. I have no problems with any of them falling off ever or being knocked off. They actually never come off the nail. I end up taking the nails off before the gems ever even fall off. So I recommend using top coat. I think it's fine. Now, the one thing I will say that I was not very fond of with this set was actually the top coat itself. It's very thin. It's not thicker like other top coats, and I tend to like the thicker top coats because they seem to be, more gel and provide a little bit more protection. This top coat is very thin. It dries very thin. I'm just not a fan of the top coat in this kit, but the rest of it I do like. So there is that set, and look at that. It's so pretty. It jazzed it up just enough to where it's perfect. It's perfect set for work. You can definitely wear those. Great length, little design that's not too distracting. Perfect set. So now we're gonna go in and use all of the Vettsy stuff. Well, not all the stuff, but all Vettsy stuff to do this set. And I'm going to file off using the Vettsy file the little tabs that are on the ends of the nail tips that they provided. And I'm going to use the white flowers along with the flamingo polygel and some of those crystals along with some top coat and some Kiara Sky paint. And the thought process of this was going to encapsulate some of the crystals inside the nail. Hindsight's always 20/20, and I should have used the clear instead of the pink, but yeah, I didn't. So it didn't turn out too bad. But definitely future reference, encapsulate with the clear. I'm sure it would have looked a million times better, but like I said, it didn't turn out too bad. So I just used the base coat to adhere the crystals in, then cured that for 30 seconds, and then came in with the flamingo polygel, which I'm going to put in all the tips and apply the tips the Lazy Girl method or the Femi Beauty method. Cure those on for 30 seconds on the top, flip them over, 30 seconds on the bottom, and that will be basically what I do to put on the set themselves. Now for the stickers, a lot of people will do the base coat on the inside of the nail and then put the stickers on the inside, but I knew I was going to be going over the top of the nail with top coat or the other polygel, so I just put the stickers on the outside of the nail because it's more convenient, especially if you just are putting on a top coat anyway. Just go ahead and stick them on top of the nail so you don't have to worry about dealing with any stickers rolling up or moving around to where you don't want them. You can just, peel them off and put them on where you want them and don't have to worry about it because you're going to be using a top coat anyway. So that's what I did. I went ahead and placed all the stickers on there, pulled off ones I didn't like, replaced new ones. The sticker process was a process. I ended up putting wrong ones on wrong nails, so I had to go back and undo those, and I was gonna leave that in, but then it would have been a ridiculously long video. So I just went ahead and edited all of that out. And you can also cut the stickers. You don't have to use the full stickers. So that's what I did. I cut what I wanted to use and left on the sheet what I didn't, and just will basically stick all of these on the nails and then go in with the polygel, put them on the nails, and then I'll paint the rest of the designs on there. And I'm going to use that Firefly polygel again because I liked it so much on the other set, and it's great. It actually topped it off and tied both sets together. I really do like that Firefly polygel. I mean, I really do. So you don't have to go over any nails with any strengtheners or added IBD gel or anything like that. I like the clear polygel, and again, it sat on there self-leveled like a top coat. It was great. But I do use that polygel again on this set along with the top coat, just to, you know, make sure everything is protected on the sets. Again, I like to use this clip, so, you know, I turn it upside down, I know, but that way I can get in there with my brush and clean off any of the spillage or overage that squishes out, because, you know, we never tend to judge how much polygel we need correctly. So that way you can clean it all up and you don't have to worry about undoing the clip and redoing the clip and yada yada yada. You can just clean around it. Makes sense to me anyway. So yeah, I recommend this polygel kit. I do. Apparently on the website it was $65.99 and it is a 24% off, so it's at $49.99. You can get an additional 10% off if you use the link in the description, or any of their kits. You can get 10% off of that as well. You'll just need to go to their website, which is Vettsy.com, and all their products are listed there. I'm probably going to be using this kit again for another set here in the next 2 weeks. I kind of have an idea, and the polygel will be perfect for it. I'm going to try to use the other glitter polygel as well. I've seen a couple videos where people have received that one and they used that and have stated basically the consistency is the same as the Firefly. So if that's accurate, then that will be perfect for the set that I want to use. I do again recommend this set. It was great to work with, and it came with a ton. It comes with everything you need except for the lamp. That's the only thing that this kit was missing. So if you're looking for a kit that you need that has everything in it, go ahead and start with this one. Then all you'll have to do is get a lamp. Thank you guys for watching. I do appreciate you. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Check out any of my other videos that are available. There are a ton of looks. We have a ton of things coming up as well. There will also be another large collaboration coming in October, so make sure you subscribe so you can see those, because those are always awesome. And make sure you check out the last Spotlight collab that had the last 3 videos. Those were great and also featured some really good nail artists as well. Again, thank you guys so much. I do appreciate you. Have a good one.